Hello. Today we will see about accordion. So accordion is a great feature in Bootstrap, and with this we can click the button and we can hide the content and we can enable the content. So how it looks like means if we are clicking this button and it would be open the content, and similarly this one, and similarly this button. So this is the feature we are going to achieve in our program. Okay, so how we are going to do means come to your Visual Studio and create accordion example.html. So you can copy paste the code accordion example. Here we are going to copy paste. So remove the content from here up to here we are removing. So inside we are going to write. So before going to do accordion, we must know about this reference bootstrap.mini.css. We need to ensure, and similarly under the script file popper mini.js bootstrap.bundle. Then only toggle file will be working. Otherwise, it will not work. So if you are clicking some toggle, it should work. So if we are ensuring this CSS JavaScript files, then only it will work. So let us write our code. So as usual, our regular statement is dev.container and empty 3. Dev.container. So dev class we got it, and empty top margin 3. Next. Now dev row we need to create. Dev class equal to row justify content center. Now next one row we have created. Now column we have to create. Div dot call md6 I am taking. So div call md6 we have taken. Now our accordion class will start. So div class equal to accordion and id equal to, so we are going to create sample example module 1. We can say module 1. Under this we have to create accordion item. So div class equal to accordion item we can create div. So next one is h2 we need to take, header part we need to define. So that one is class equal to accordion header. We need to define accordion header. So here id equal to, so under module we have taken module 1. So here lesson 1. Under module 1 we can say lesson 1. We can consider as lesson 1. H2. So now we can take as a button as, so here button what we are going to define lesson 1. We can say like lesson 1. Now how it looks we can see. Click go live and see. See, this button and some border has appeared. So it is not looking like exactly accordion item 1. So it should look like so that means some styles we need to add. So let us come here and take this button one, and here you can define some class. So class equal to accordion button. You can define accordion button. So we have accordion button. Next type equal to, it is a button type. So button I have defined. Now toggle we need to define, because toggle only we need to get it at. So toggle data base toggle equal to collapse. So using this toggle we can collapse, because for making enabling and disabling collapse we need to use. Next data bs equal to target. So target what we have to write. So what is the target means? Here we need to take lesson 1 body is the target, because this body only consisting of the data. Next area expanded. Area expanded equal to, we need to define as a true. Next area control we can take as the area controls. So area controls what we have to do is lesson 1 body. Lesson 1 body, so that this button is completed. Next one is, so this h2 also header part also completed. Now inside button we need to add some content. So how it looks like? Now lesson 1 it looks like exactly like this toggle. So if you are clicking like this, now action is not happening, so still we need to work on this. So now next what we have to do is div id equal to lesson 1 body we need to write. Next class equal to accordion collapse. Accordion collapse, so that class is and here collapse show, because using this content will be shown, whatever the content we are going to write that would be shown. Area labeled by, now area labeled by we need to take, so that one is lesson 1. Next data bs parent, it's a parent. So parent is, we have a module 1, so that is the module 1 hash module 1 we have to define. So div is closed here. Next one is div class equal to accordion body. We need to define accordion body. So in this we can enter some data, lorem. So this data we had entered. For convenience you can make it like this, so that you will be able to see the data. Now it is ready, and what you can do is you can format it, so that you can easily read the data whatever we have written. So required divs are arranged or not, and we have defined like this. Now your program is ready, and go and verify whether the content is appearing or not. Now content we got it, and borders also we got it, and this one toggle has been defined, and like a button it is displayed. So this is a module and lesson 1. So lesson 1 is like this. Now if I click like this, it is hidden and it is enabled. Suppose you want to display while page load itself, content is enabled. Suppose if you want to hide the data, you can remove this show content. So that what it will happen, here content is hidden, and when we are clicking only it will be opened. So here you can maintain the content. So like this we had achieved. This is how we need to do. Suppose and another button you want to take another content. So here you can take another one, and this is a module 2, and this is a lesson 2. So wherever module and lesson 2 you can take, this is the lesson 2 and lesson 2 and lesson 2. So this is the module 2 and lesson 2. So likewise wherever it is appearing, we need to change to lesson 2 body and module 2 lesson 2. Now save it and see how the content looks. Lesson 1, lesson 2, this content is appearing, and you can hide the content. Okay, so like this you can use the content and enabling and using toggle how you are going to enable. And for default you are getting one color, so default color is getting. Suppose you don't want the default color, so it is offering one class, that is the class like accordion flush. If you are adding accordion flush, so what it will happen, you can see that default color it will disappear. So starting of the class they are adding. So here accordion item div class. So here you can add a flush, then come and see what is the color. Now see there is no border. See you can here there is a border, but here there is no border. So if you are applying accordion flush, this border will be removed. So that is the purpose of this accordion flush. So this is about the accordion, and for more information you can refer accordion in bootstrap website, getbootstrap.com. You will get more information here. So if you are having any doubts also, you can easily refer here. So let me summarize what we have done is, so we have defined this justify content, and up to here this is a regular statements. So our code starts from accordion, and accordion we have split it as module 1 and lesson 1. For the convenience we can consider like this the module 1 and lesson 1, under this some content. So we have taken the content accordion, and the headers we need to define, and this up to h2 this is the structure. Under that button we are defining, and once button is defined, so button purpose is to get this much information, but this content information we have defined from here. So content information from here, and for the support of the content, this is the information we need to write. So totally we have to depend more on accordion classes. So accordion classes are greatly supported by bootstrap. So using this we can achieve one good feature. So wherever some content you want to hide, enable, and for making it as user friendly, you can use it. So lastly we have added accordion flush for the starting of the element. So if you want to achieve here also border you don't want, you can add as accordion flush. So this is about the accordion, and we will see other lesson in next session. Thank you.